What's going on, you guys? Caesar here. I have two pairs of sneakers right here and I want to show them to you guys. It is the Cardi B's. I did release a video on the pink Cardi B's when I got my channel up and rolling, and that's my #1 hit. When I found these at Foot Locker, I was like, I gotta make another video. So I'm gonna be unboxing two different color Cardi B's right here. And you guys know this is the box right here. They're both gonna be size 9, and they were a restock, and I couldn't believe it because they sold out on Foot Locker online the day they released. So when I saw them in stores, I was kind of like, what is going on here? And you already know, I saw them, whipped out my phone, went to StockX, you know, checked out what color's doing what size is doing what, and then I found out size 9 in the pink pair was doing really good. So I asked my boy, well, I made him my boy there, he doesn't know that, but so I was like, hey bro, you got the size 9? And he was like, let me check the back. And then he actually scanned it, and then he says we should, and then he went back there, size 9, and then when he came back, I was doing my, you know, I kept going on StockX, and I found out that the yellow pair was also profitable in size 9. So let's check it out. All right, you guys, this is the pink Cardi B's, and they are crazy. You guys, look at this. It is a beautiful sneaker. The females just love this. Like, it has the suede going all the way around the edge. It's just that clear. It has that clear going on right here, so you could actually see in, you know, see into the foot. You have the matching pink laces. And then I'm not sure if I saw this the first time around, but it's like it has an exposed tongue, and it's like black on the inside. The exposed part's black, and then the rest of it is that color pink. You guys, it has the pink insoles, as you can see right there, with the black Reebok sign. So they like, every time I look at that shoe, like I look at the heel, and it's just crazy. So I did buy one of these for my wife. I bought it for Valentine's Day, and she loved it. She was actually rocking them today when we went to pick these up. So, you know, shout out to her. She's watching this. Hopefully she's watching all my videos. Okay, so let's go on to the next pair. Okay, let's get this out the way. Like I said, this was also profitable in size 9. And then these are the yellow pairs right here. And it's the same crazy, it's the same model shoe, but it's just like, it's that highlighter yellow. And this is just like, if you want to make a fashion statement, you're going to be rocking these right here. And then, so I barely noticed that this one had that exposed tongue too. Like right here, it kind of looks like the Volts, the Jordan 1 high Volts, where it's exposed right here, and it's almost the same color. But look how clean these are. Look at the bottoms. I mean, these are a clean pair of sneaker right here. And I can't believe that I got it in size 9. Profitable. Let's go back to the pink ones. I didn't tell you guys. Okay, so the pink ones, I listed them on StockX, and I also listed them on GOAT, and I listed them on GOAT for $170, and believe it or not, somebody just straight up purchased. There was not even any offers. Nobody was listing the shoe in size 9 in pink, so I was like, I'll take advantage of that and then put it all the way up. So I put it at $170. I also listed it on StockX, and on StockX, I believe it was at the 140 range, somewhere around there, 140 range. So I'm so glad that it sold on Go and not StockX, because I got paid out more. So I made 70 on the pink pair, and then I still haven't sold this particular pair, but I'm pretty confident I'm gonna sell soon. And I got them both off of Foot Locker, and it was a restock. So, you know, I saw them in the store, I just couldn't believe it, and I had to ask my man, and he was like, yeah, we got them. And they still had multiple sizes. So if you guys are trying to get this, I suggest you visit your local Foot Locker, and I'm pretty sure they have them. Either call or just show up. That way you guys can see what they have. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button. Any questions in the comment box below, and I will check you guys out on the next video.